Setting up your Amazon seller account is an exciting step toward launching your e-commerce journey. First things first, head over to the Amazon Seller Central website. You'll see two options: individual and professional accounts. If you're just starting out and plan to sell fewer than 40 items a month, go for the individual account. It's free to set up, but you'll pay a small fee for each sale. If you're serious about scaling your business and expect to sell more, the professional account is the way to go. It has a monthly fee, but you'll avoid those per item charges. Once you've chosen your account type, click on Register Now. You'll need to provide some basic information, including your name, email address, and a password. Make sure to use a strong password. This is your business we're talking about. After that, Amazon will ask for your business information. If you're a sole proprietor, just use your name. If you have a registered business, you'll need your business name and address. Next up, you'll need to verify your identity. Amazon takes this seriously to ensure a safe marketplace. Have your credit card handy, as they'll charge a small fee to verify your account. This fee is refunded once your account is set up. You'll also need to provide a bank account for receiving payments. Make sure it's an account you can access easily, as Amazon will deposit your earnings here. Now let's talk about product listings. Once your account is verified, it's time to add your products. Click on Inventory and then Add a Product. You can either list a new product or match it to an existing one. If you're selling something unique, you'll create a new listing. Fill in the product details, title, description, and key features. Use keywords that potential buyers might search for. This is crucial for visibility. Don't forget to upload high-quality images. A picture is worth 1,000 words, and on Amazon, it can mean the difference between a sale and a pass. Make sure your images are clear, well-lit, and showcase your product from multiple angles. Pricing is another critical aspect. Research similar products to find a competitive price point. Remember, you can always adjust your prices later based on demand and competition. Once your listing is live, monitor its performance. Use Amazon's analytics tools to track sales, customer feedback, and inventory levels. Customer service is key to maintaining a good seller rating. Respond to inquiries promptly and handle any issues with professionalism. Happy customers are more likely to leave positive reviews, which can significantly boost your sales. Finally, consider enrolling in Amazon FBA, Fulfillment by Amazon. This service handles storage, shipping, and customer service for you. It can save you time and help you scale your business faster. Plus, your products become eligible for Amazon Prime, which can increase your visibility and sales. And there you have it. Setting up your Amazon seller account is just the beginning. With the right approach, you can turn your passion into a thriving business. Now go out there and start selling.